Hey, welcome to another video. So the other day I got a question sent in via Insta saying that this person has just started their own agency. They've just started their own OnlyFans management agency. They've been pitching girls day in, day out, and now they've finally got a model, and she says she would like them to promote her account, but she doesn't want them to log into the OnlyFans or access it. She just wants them to promote it. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. So, I've got a simple answer, but I thought I'd take the liberty of creating a whole video with a list of reasons just to really hammer it home in case you're getting desperate or tempted. Now, I understand that when you're just starting out your own OnlyFans management agency, you're pitching girls day in, day out, or boys, you're pitching people day in, day out, sending a shitload of messages, not getting very many responses because a lot of them go unseen. They get tucked away in the requests part of the Instagram, for example. And you finally get a response from a model, and she says, well, I don't want you to completely manage my account, but can you promote it? I just don't want you logging in because I don't trust you. I don't trust you. So can you just promote it? And I'll just do that. And I don't want you to log in to the OnlyFans. Sorry, I got carried away there. What I'm getting at is that when you're starting out and you haven't got a client yet, I can understand the temptation to just take what you can get, right? I'm just starting out, it'll be better than nothing. At least we'll have money coming in. Wrong. I've got a few reasons why you should not be tempted by that. So I took the liberty of writing it down for you. It's a simple answer, but I thought I'd take the liberty of creating a whole video just to really hammer it home in case you're getting tempted. So I've got a little, there we go. Where's this little thing? So, the question I got sent in was, a model wants me to promote her OnlyFans account, but not to log into it. So what did I say to that? I said, no. No. There are a few reasons why I say no. First reason being that you're unable to track earnings. You're unable to see. So I can actually notice if my eyes are going red and and bloodshot. That's why. Oh my God, this topic just makes me really. This topic just makes me really sad. You know, it just really bothers me. It just really bothers me. Well, people get tempted by shitty offers like this. Yeah, my nose. I know I got something in my nose. Anyway, yeah, you're unable to track how well you're promoting the account. So say if you were to hypothetically take on the role of just promoting and not logging in or not accessing the OnlyFans, if you're unable to log in and see if people are subscribed or not, you're unable to see if you're actually doing a good job. And if you're unable to see if you're actually doing a good job, you're unable to track the earnings. And therefore, for all you know, the model could just be saying, you're doing a shit job, I'm getting no subs, and I'm not going to pay you, or I'll just pay you very little. So you're unable to verify if you're actually doing a good job to justify getting paid how much you want to charge. That's if you were to hypothetically do that. Now, another reason is the girl could lie about the progress. Well, that's actually kind of the same thing, really. Unable to track progress. Yeah, well, they're kind of different. Yeah, so you're unable to log in to see if you're doing well, and therefore there's the risk of the girl just blatantly lying about the progress in order to justify paying you fuck all or very little. The other thing is you're unable to justify a revenue split with this model. The beauty of having an OnlyFans management agency is that when you propose a revenue split with the client, it incentivizes you to want to grow the account, because then the more the account grows, the more you have the potential to earn. It works for both people. Now, with the method of just promoting, I would bet that there was no way on God's green earth a girl would be willing to split the entire OnlyFans revenue stream with you just for promoting. So because you're unable to have a revenue split with just promoting the account, that is just another reason to say no. Because remember, you are an OnlyFans management agency, not a cheap promotional service. So that's pretty much it. I told you it would just be a short video with a simple answer. I just really want to hammer it home because, once again, I do understand that when you're starting out and you're struggling to find a client, because it will happen at the start, it can be tempted to take on shitty offers like that because, it's better than nothing. Or it'll be some money and then I can just work my way up. No, stick to your guns Either manage the account, being able to log in and access the account, or move on and just pitch someone else. All right. So if this helped you at all and you like my other videos, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the little notification button. I saw someone done a video. Apparently you can get notified if I upload a video. So smash that little bell thing too, and I'll see you on another video.